Hey everyone, welcome back to my IELTS speaking series. In today's video, we're diving into an interesting cue card. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. I'll share a powerful Band 8+ sample answer with advanced vocabulary, natural expressions, and fluent delivery tips to help you impress the examiner. So grab your notebook, sit back, and let's get started. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. You should say who your friend is, what the truth was, what was your friend's reaction, and explain why you think it was important to tell your friend the truth.
Today, I'd like to share a personal story about a time when I told my best friend a really important truth, something that tested our friendship but ultimately made it stronger. My friend's name is Aisha, and we've been inseparable since high school. She's one of those people who's always cheerful, kind-hearted, and full of life. We've shared countless memories from late-night study sessions to random weekend hangouts. A few months ago, Aisha started dating someone new. At first, she seemed really happy, but over time, I noticed subtle changes in her behavior. She became quieter, less confident, and honestly, not her usual self. The guy she was seeing often made hurtful jokes and seemed quite controlling. I tried to ignore it at first, thinking maybe I was overreacting, but eventually, it became impossible to stay silent. One evening, I decided to have an honest conversation with her. I told her gently but firmly that I didn't think her relationship was healthy. I said she deserved someone who respected her, someone who made her feel valued, not small or insecure. It wasn't easy to say. I was worried she might misunderstand me or even distance herself. But deep down, I knew true friendship means caring enough to speak the truth, even when it's uncomfortable. As expected, she didn't take it well at first. She looked shocked and a little hurt. She said things like, "You don't understand him," and "You're just being protective." I could tell she was upset, so I didn't push further. I simply said, "I'm saying this because I care about you, not because I want to interfere." A few days later, she called me. Her voice sounded calmer, almost relieved. She told me she had been thinking about what I said and realized I was right. Eventually, she decided to end the relationship, and later, she actually thanked me for being courageous enough to be honest when everyone else stayed silent. That moment honestly meant the world to me. It showed that my honesty hadn't broken our friendship, it had strengthened it. Looking back, I truly believe it was one of the most important conversations I've ever had. Because in life, telling someone the truth, especially when it's uncomfortable, which takes real strength. But that's what genuine friendship is all about. It's not about agreeing all the time or saying what the other person wants to hear. It's about having the courage to say what they need to hear, even if it hurts for a moment. That experience taught me that silence can sometimes do more harm than words. By being honest, I not only helped my friend make a better decision but also proved that loyalty isn't about pleasing someone, it's about protecting them, even from the truth they don't want to face. So, in the end, I'd say telling Aisha the truth was one of the hardest yet most meaningful things I've ever done. It reminded me that honesty is the foundation of every real relationship, and sometimes, being a good friend means having difficult conversations. After all, a true friend doesn't just stand by you, they also guide you, even when the path isn't easy.